Everybody hustle.
I can't take control of myself, baby. Makoma bo me bang bang bang, me freo anase me nyawo ma unko na mi nkosu, baby. Enka Mr. Playboy dear, kebani send me who Obama makoma bo me bang bang bang, but this feeling is so different. What reason will I give my heart if I should let you go, baby? Cause I wanna know you. And it's sweetie, me person me new ding, come on get to baby. I show me so sad, be seen there. Yeah, woman, come on, and I say, I love you. Girl, I wanna marry you. Girl, I can't live without you. Cause you're the one, yeah, the only one, yeah. My diamond girl. I wanna be with you forever, forever. I wonder if your father was a thief, or someone stole the stars from the sky and blew them in your eyes. Girl, I'm not saying this to flatter you, but every bit of what I say comes from within my heart. So just tell me why. What do you read? Tell me who if your friend named Manuel Popo. On Sakama Kuma Shasani, so man can't travel. My yet me who. But to me, I can't idea. Imagine me 3 points. What reason will I have given my heart if I had let you go, baby? Cause I know I love you, I know I love you. And it's sweetie, but to me, new wedding, come marry. I get me here and it's over dream. Now, mommy, why am manager to say I love you? Girl, I wanna marry you. Girl, I can't live without you.
Whose is this? This is definitely not mine.
Michel, Pascal a recommencé ses bêtises ici encore.
Mais qu'est-ce qui lui prend la tête? Qu'est-ce qui arrive à ce gars-là? Mais moi, je comprends plus. Why can't this guy learn how to keep his things between his legs? I mean, the guy has to learn some discipline.
I don't judge so long as it is consensual. What is that with his things is his own business. But Chantal is different, sophisticated. It makes me uneasy.
Yeah, I mean, me too. I just hope it doesn't drag us into any kind of mess.
Michel, I just hope. Après ça.
Ok, bonne soirée, ma chérie.
I swear I didn't have the slightest inclination that he was up to something sinister.
Well, obviously, that man is a wild dog used to getting his way. He must be taught a lesson. Or better, castrated. We must go to the police, Chantal. Yes, we have to, before that beast corners his next victim.
I can't go to the police. I can't.
Why not?
My reputation will be ruined if this leaks to journalists. And you can be sure that will happen when I go to the police.
See, Chantal, this isn't just about you anymore. This is about all the women out there who are at the mercy of men like that. Surely you can't let him walk away. Somebody needs to teach that man to learn to respect women. And you are going to do that.
I wish I could, Rama, but I can't.
Whoa.
If I'm not careful, I'll make the headline of newspapers and end up being the loser. Plus, I don't have any witness to corroborate my story, apart from the woman among them who saw me storming out of the place, and I'll be stupid to expect her to be on my side.
You know what? Just get some sleep, okay? Try to sleep. Tomorrow, we'll think this through and then come out with a plan. You want me to tuck you in?
My dear, it's getting late. You should go and get some sleep, okay?
But I don't want him to feel like I'm cheating on him.
Go and sleep. Forget about him. Come on, come.
It's almost 12 midnight and Yvonne is still not back.
What do you mean she's not back home?
Because I'm here. I am home.
You're home? How is that possible? I thought you said you were in Kumasi.
Never mind. It's almost midnight. She's nowhere to be found and her phone is switched off.
Wow. I don't know what to say. Please calm down, okay? I'm sure she'll be back home soon.
She'll come back and meet me here.
It's okay. Calm down. Take it cool, okay?
You don't worry. You will hear of me all right.
Is he back home?
One time. You just watch me do what I've planned. By the time I'm done, you will realize your self-worth and he will learn a big lesson.
That's it.
Number you are calling is currently switched off. Try later. The MTN number you are calling is currently switched off. Try later.
Thank you.
Merci.
Je vous en prie. Don't mention.
Hey. Wait for me here.
Pardon. Excusez-moi.
Who offered you a seat? What are you even doing here in the first place?
I'm here for my money.
You are here for your money.
Yep.
Chantel, did you read the contract well? Your contract is for 2 days. And as we talk, my client is out there without your service.
From your post here, I deduce you've been briefed about the stunt your client pulled last night.
I don't know what you mean by that. But the information I have is my client is not satisfied with your service. And by our terms, that is a breach of contract.
Really? And you haven't heard my side of the story?
Well, I'm not interested in your side of the story because you don't even bring in the money.
What is that supposed to mean?
Okay, you didn't get me the first time, did you? You have breached the contract, which means no money. I'm supposed to be suing you for breach of contract.
You must be joking, right?
I've got work to do. Get out of my office.
You've just touched the lion by its tail and you regret it.
Get out of my office now.
You shameless opportunist! Running a brother in the name of an agency? You haven't seen the last of me yet.
Get out of my office, you idiot!
You're the idiot here! You are the lowlife here!
I didn't know I was dealing with a fool.
I'm no fool! The fool is the one who prostitutes herself on someone else to profit. Attends, elle se permet de m'insulter fort, ça va pas, non?
That's enough. No need to quarrel with her when you have other ways to get your money.
And who is this one to?
I'm nobody. Definitely not in your exalted leagues.
Now both of you, get out of my office now.
Let's go.
Je ne perds rien pour attendre.
MTN number you are calling is currently switched off. Please try later. The MTN number you are calling is currently switched off. Please try later.
If you still insist that the police are out, then let's talk to a lawyer. A strong letter from him to the agency would force them to pay you. And don't even think of saying we should forget about this one too. We are going straight to the lawyer's office and you are not fit to drive.
This is not a matter for the agency to settle by paying you the amount stipulated when you signed your contract. You deserve a compensation for what you went through.
Compensation?
Yes, compensation from the man who tried to rape her. You said they are due to leave tomorrow?
Yes.
Alright, we meet him up at his hotel and ask him to settle out of court. But if he refuses, we file a suit against him which will prevent him from leaving the country.
No, she doesn't want to go to the police. No.
Don't worry, we won't go to the police or the court. He will settle after I've met him.
How do you know that for sure?
Did you say they work for an international NGO for the protection of women? Trust me, he'll pay.
Is Yvonne playing around? No. Impossible. Not my Yvonne. She cannot do that to me.
C'était...
Tu aimes trop le manger, toi.
C'est normal.
J'ai eu le service à l'hôtel, il est très serein.
Ouais.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va bien, et toi?
Bien, merci. There's someone waiting at the lobby to see you.
Me?
Anyways, please, our luggages are in our rooms. If you could get someone to get them.
Okay.
I thought we had finished with all our business meetings for this trip.
I thought so, too.
So, who could that be?
Don't know.
Then let's run out.
I understand you want to see me.
Yes, I'm Lawyer Ado.
Are you a lawyer or a businessman?
I'm both, but I'm not here to do business with you. I'm here on behalf of Chantal Boigny.
Hello?
Allô? Annette? Ici mon Pascal.
Who? What?
Okay, I'm coming over right away. The me Chantel. Oh, yeah, nyan.
I can't believe Yvonne could do this to me. Where could she be? What is she doing? Who is she with?
You can't do that. What evidence do you have against my client that warrants your client even a peswa? If anything, my agency is supposed to be suing your client for breach of contract.
My client tells me the lady here saw her storm out of the place angrily. But don't worry, she may not be a willing witness, but we have some physical evidence to support our case in court.
Oh, you have nothing?
Before the court decides whether or not we have anything against your client, he will be remanded in custody pending investigation. And since this is a sexual assault, all I have to do is secure an injunction barring him from leaving the country.
Don't dare me.
Don't dare me.
What is he saying? Qu'est-ce qu'il dit?
He's threatening to prevent you from leaving the country.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay. What does she want?
We are not going to give in to whatever they want.
Ah, c'est pas vrai. So what do you expect us to do?
Nothing. I don't think he can even go ahead with his threat.
Really?
I won't take that chance.
Look, I think Pascal is right on this one.
I don't want to ruin my reputation because of that stupid girl.
And I do not want to be cut in the middle either. I do not want to suffer any moral hazard.
Je ne comprends pas. Are you here to support your compatriot or you are here to betray him?
Don't even start this. Si tu avais bien fait ton boulot professionnellement, surtout avec Pascal, tout cela n'aurait pas dû arriver. Non? Oh, c'est pas du tout vrai.
How much money does she want?
How much damage does your client want?
The full payment of the contract and $25,000 compensation.
What? No way.
In that case, we meet in court.
Where is he going?
He said we should give him $25,000. If not, we meet in court. And I just told him we don't have it.
Call him and let's talk. Please, wait.
Michel, tu vois de quoi je parlais?
Évidemment. Tu avais raison.
Ça s'est produit, mais non.
Je ne sais pas ce que Annette raconte.
Pascal n'est pas du tout sérieux. C'est de sa faute si tout ça là arrive.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Au fait, ils veulent de l'argent. Ils ne veulent que de l'argent.
Ça sent mauvais, hein.
Oui, surtout que nous sommes étrangers. Ils ne vont pas se laisser faire. Pas du tout. Code, prions que tout aille bien.
Je l'espère bien aussi.
Please, wait. $10,000. $15,000. Okay. $20,000.
How do you intend to pay? In physical cash or in bank transfer?
In bank transfer, of course.
Now.
Now. Yes.
Qu'est-ce qu'il dit?
Je m'en occupe, ok? Je m'en occupe.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. I love it. Look at you. Titi Mom, don't worry about a thing. Enjoy it, my dear. So when you're bored, you can just join me there. Finish everything. Mike! Come with me.
Meet Ray.
Miss Boye, you are $20,000 richer.
Now that should teach that man a lesson.
I still feel used. That woman at the agency. Il faut que je fasse quelque chose pour lui faire payer. Elle peut pas s'en tirer comme ça.
Easy, take it easy. We'll get here for that. This is a small victory. Just enjoy it.
I don't wanna be your lover tonight. I'm gonna love another tonight. I don't wanna be your lover tonight. I'm gonna set the town on fire. Tonight I'm out, tonight I'm out, tonight I'm out, I'm out. Tonight I'm out, tonight I'm out, tonight I'm out, I'm out tonight. I don't wanna be your lover tonight. I'm gonna set the town on fire. Waiting on the dining table. I'm here waiting for you, my baby. Food is getting really damn cold. I want you close to me, my baby. See me eating like an animal. You don't know but you're hurting me, baby. Why you watching your football? I'm going crazy. My mind say no, 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 no. But my body say yeah, 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 yeah. My mind say no, 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 no. But my body say yeah, 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 yeah. Tonight, I don't wanna be your lover tonight. I'm gonna love another tonight. I don't wanna be your lover tonight. I'm gonna set the town on fire. Tonight I'm out, tonight I'm out, tonight I'm out, I'm out. Tonight I'm out, tonight I'm out, tonight I'm out, I'm out. Tonight, I don't wanna be your lover tonight. I'm gonna set the town on fire. Need a man to uphold you, someone to make you feel brand new. Need a man to control you, but never put no one above you. When another girl lunch from this, me I pull out a gun from this. When another girl wine from this, me I pull out murder.